Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you want to change the registered phone number on your Discord account, how you're going to do it, watch this video till the end and you will find out. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Discord application. Once you open the application, you will see an interface like this. From there, you need to select your profile. From here, you need to tap on the settings option. So once you tap on the settings option, it will bring you to this menu. From here, you need to tap on account. And in account, you will find your phone number here. You need to tap on that. From here, you can either remove the phone number or you can update a new phone number. So you need to erase this one. You need to enter the new phone number. And once you enter the new phone number, all you need to do is to tap on next, and on the next step you will receive a one-time password from a Discord application, and you need to enter that one-time password and your new phone number will be updated on Discord application. So guys, this is how you can update your phone number, or if you want to remove it, just tap on the remove phone number and your old phone number will be removed. So this is how it works. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.